We're displaying a list of modules, presumably for a particular course. But before we keep going, let's style this. This looks pretty ugly. Let's maybe bring about a popular CSS library. Let's install Bootstrap. Right. So what we're going to do is at the root of your project, of your Angular project, we can install Bootstrap and save it. So that's going to download the CSS, JavaScript, any dependencies for Bootstrap. And what we'll do is that we're going to load Bootstrap so that we can style our content so it looks a little more professional. So to bring Bootstrap in, what we can do is that we can take a look at the styles.css, right? That's a global style sheet, right? And what we can do here is that we're going to import. We're going to import the Bootstrap library, which we just installed. There it is, Bootstrap. And under there, we'll see that there's a distribution, there's CSS, and there's bootstrap min.css. Let's include that. Right, so that's going to compile the CSS, and there it is. Right, so we have this is already looking a little prettier. What we can do is that at the root component, right, at the root component, app component, where is it? In our app component HTML, what we can do is just wrap the entire content of our application, right, inside of a div that has a container. Right, this is a Bootstrap container. Right, that's going to add some margins all around our content. Right, and some margins so that this looks a little prettier. Right, excellent. So that's how you add Bootstrap. We can also style this list of modules so that it's a little prettier as well. If we go into the module list, right, we can add the class here for the UL to be a list group, and also the class for the list group items, so that this looks a little more presentable. Okay.